Welcome to the Brooklyn Brothers. Today we're going to show you how to make these stuffed bottom artichokes. These are wonderful. They're great for an appetizer or even a side dish. They go with any protein like pork, fish, or beef.
Really good.
You're going to love them. Look
Beautiful.
At that. Look at that. Is that gorgeous?
All right, I'm starving.
All right, let's
get it out of my face.
All right, we're going to start on our stuffing for those artichoke bottoms. First thing I'm going to do is dice up some fresh garlic, 2 cloves, all right, now we're going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil.
Olive oil.
And we'll go ahead and add the garlic. We're going to let these fry up until they become a little translucent. All right. Oh yeah.
Looks good.
Smelling good already.
Nice fresh spinach, baby spinach.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and add, this is about 6 ounces of spinach. It's 1 bag. You can get these at the grocery store. This is baby spinach, by the way. We're going to cook this down. Now we're going to go ahead and add some pinch of salt, pinch of black pepper, and that's all it needs. Let this fry up. Yeah, this spinach cooked down to nothing, huh? Yeah. We don't need it. All right. It's done. We'll turn it off, set it aside. All right. These are what we're going to use today. These are artichoke bottoms. I bought these at Jimmy's Deli in Dallas. I thought that this would be a great idea. So if we could stuff them basically with some type of mix. And I think artichokes and cheese.
Don't listen to him. It was my idea. Nah, I'm kidding.
Anyway, I think this is going to be good. Okay. These right here are the artichoke bottoms.
Beautiful.
I had them soaking overnight to try to get that citrus flavor out of them because you don't want them to have any other flavor besides what you're going to stuff them with. All right, I've got my mascarpone cheese. I picked these up at Jimmy's also. If you're not familiar with mascarpone, it's kind of has the consistency of cream cheese, but it kind of tastes like ricotta to me. You know, it doesn't have very much flavor. Most folks use this ingredient for desserts, but
nice cannoli cream too.
Yeah.
Yum.
Even tiramisu. This is great for. All right, so now we got our mascarpone cheese in there. Now we're going to add about 1 cup of shredded mozzarella. And we have some Luccarelli Romano cheese. This is really good stuff. We're going to go ahead and add probably about 2 tablespoons of pepperoni cheese. Cherry Lee, man. He's so loud sneezes. All right, keep going. I'm going to go ahead and add a pinch of salt. You don't want to put too much salt. That Pecorino Romano is kind of salty. And then a pinch of black pepper.
Nice.
All right. All right, now we're going to go ahead and add the spinach that we just sauteed, the cheese mix. Oh, man, that smells great. Go ahead and mix this up.
That looks good.
Smells good.
I just spotted some Nutella in the corner. Yeah.
That's another recipe.
Yeah, we got to do pizza with
Nutella
Nutella and
pizza.
and fresh berries.
Oh man. Okay, this is all ready to go. Now we're gonna make our egg wash so we can go ahead and bread the artichoke bottoms. All we need is about 3 eggs. Just a pinch of salt, black pepper, and we're gonna go ahead and add some garlic powder to it. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and beat these eggs. All right, we have our breading station already here. We have our flour, egg wash, and breadcrumb. That's it. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and start breading the bottoms. All we have to do is flour just the rims right here and the bottoms. And then we're gonna come right over here. Let's do the top, a little bit of the bottom. See that? And then we're gonna go ahead and bread these. I'm gonna put them right in the tray right here.
Looks good.
Boom. Okay, let's do one more. All right. Flour it. Egg wash. And that's it. Bam. Okay. Keep one.
Okay.
And there we go. All right, ready for
Looks good.
stuffing. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and stuff these babies.
They look good already. Gonna be nice.
Real simple. Let's take a spoonful of spinach mix with the cheese. Oh, first thing we want to do also is spray the bottom of your plate. A little bit of olive oil there. Okay. Real simple. Man, these are gonna be so good, guys, I tell you. If you like spinach artichoke dip, this is kind of like a reconstructed version, but so tasty.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, Mom, what?
Tasty.
Hey. All right. All right. A few more here. Real simple.
No, that's gonna be good.
Yeah, wait, I'm not done. All right, last step. We're gonna go ahead and place these mozzarella cubes right inside the middle there of each one of those bottoms.
Beautiful. It's gonna be good.
Yeah, it is good, I tell you. All right, ready for the oven. Have all of our mushroom bottoms all ready. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and spray them with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Just so the breadcrumbs crisp up. All right, let's put these in the oven. I got the oven set on 425 degrees. These should be done in 20 minutes. All right.
Hallelujah. I'm starving.
There we go. Beautiful.
All right.
We'll be back. All right, it's been 20 minutes. Let's check out these stuffed artichoke bottoms.
They already peaked. They look great.
Oh my God, look at that.
Oh, man.
Oh yeah.
You drop them and I'll kill you.
Oh, look at that. Oh my God. Beautiful. All right, let's test out these artichoke bottoms. Oh man. They're very, very hot. Be careful.
Very good.
Look at that.
Really nice.
Very good. Very, very good. Hey, if you love that spinach and artichoke dip, you're absolutely going to love this right here.
Very good.
Out of this world. Hey, thanks for watching. We appreciate the subscribers. And if you would, please hit that like button or leave a comment. It helps our channel out. We appreciate it.
Thanks again.
See you later.